This is a What's in the Box video for Imperial Assault Carriers Expansion Pack for Star Wars Armada. This includes the 2 Imperial Assault Carriers, which is just 1 unit. So you look, it goes on the single stand. So let's take a look. So we'll take a look at these models first. So there's 2 identical ones. They look pretty good. I guess they have a little wash on them. They're just the model with a wash painted on them. Here's all the dials that you have to construct. And we'll take a look at the cards that came with it. So as with all larger ships, there's going to be 2 versions of these. So we have the Gozanti-class cruisers and the assault carriers. So they have slightly different weapons values. Sometimes they'll have different movement values. In this case, not. And they'll have sometimes different command abilities. So, but in this case, they're actually pretty similar. Now, every larger ship also comes with a selection of personnel and add-on cards. So some of these are duplicates, I think, of other cards, but we can look through them. General Tog, Agent Kellis, and then these are enhancements for your ships. So Vector, Suppressor, Jamming Field, Slicer Tools, Bombing Command Center, CommsNet. So there you have it. That is what's in the box for the Imperial Assault Carriers. If you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe. And also take a look at our other videos. Thank you.